Another home tour in the Valencia community in Manvel, Texas. We are touring a Pulte builder, 1-story, 4-bedroom, 3-bath home which been upgraded. Imagine stepping into your dream home, where luxury meets comfort. Welcome to the stunning Pulte home that's just waiting for you to make it yours. Let's talk about that magnificent floor plan. Picture this, a chef's kitchen that effortlessly flows into a sunlit master bedroom. Seriously, the natural light is just chef's kiss. And wait until you see the spa-like bathroom. It's like your own personal oasis, right at home. Can you feel that tranquil vibe already? If you're on the hunt for the perfect blend of elegance and relaxation, this is the time and place. And guess what? With starting prices between $400,000 and $550,000, plus some fantastic buy-down rates. It's an opportunity you don't want to miss. Ready to elevate your living experience? Click that link and let's make this dream a reality. You deserve this luxury.